yung content na to. Pero yung content na papaisip ka na, what if you die today? And then yung mga bagay na pinagpabukas mo, hindi mo na nagawa. Pero naisip mo rin ba, what if you lived too long, but you never truly lived? Narong bagay na kailangan mong pag-isipan na mabuti. What if mamatay ko na maaga, or what if matagal akong mamatay? Dalawang bagay na kailangan ng preparation, diba? We don't usually think about that. Most of the time, ina-avoid natin yan, we delay the thought. Because, syempre, napaka-uncomfortable topic ng kamatayan. But sometimes thinking about the end is the only way to wake up ourselves. What if we die tomorrow? What if we die today? Just one normal day and then it suddenly becomes your last. God plans for tomorrow. He said, ayusin ko na yan bukas. Mag-ipon na ako. Magbabago na ako. But tomorrow never came. And now everything you postponed stays undone. Yung mga apology na hindi mo nasabi, yung mga pangarap mo na never mo sinimulan, the version of you that you're supposed to become never existed. And totoo lang, it's the pain of dying suddenly, not the death itself. But actually, it is the unfinished life. But here's the quiet truth that people don't talk about. There's something even more painful than dying early. It's actually living too long, but never truly living. Imagine mo, you wake up every day, you go through your routine, you survive, but deep within you, deep inside you, you know you're not really living. Yes, you had time, years, dekada, but you kept choosing comfort over courage. You're choosing fear over growth. And you kept giving excuses over action. Ayaw mo sinasabi na, hindi pa siguro ngayon, hindi pa ako ready. Soon na lang, next time na lang, until yung next time mo umabot ng years. And yung years mo umabot ng lifetime. And one day you look back, parang naman malaking pagkakamali, yes. Pero wala pa rin ginawa. Kasi bakit play safe ka, you stayed small, you avoided this. And now you're facing with the most painful realization in life, which is, I had a time, but I didn't use it. So yung pain na yun, mas masakit yun. That's different from dying suddenly. Kasi it doesn't come in one moment lang, it slowly builds. Regret after regret, missed opportunity after missed opportunity, until it becomes a question, a quiet question. Sa utak mo na, what if I just died? So ano ba talaga yung mas worst? Is it really dying today, tomorrow? Or living long enough to realize you never became who you really were meant to be? Kasi na to, alam, wala naman tayong control when we die. Pero alam mo, pinaka may control tayo, how we live today. So if you die tomorrow, make sure you didn't waste today. So if you live longer than expected, make sure you don't waste your years. Stop delaying your life. Umpisahan mo yan, start that thing, fix that habit, take the risk, say the words. Not because you're sure na magiging successful ka, but you don't want to face a life na punong-puno ng what-ifs. At the end of everything, it is not about how long you stayed. It is about whether you honestly say, yes, I lived, I tried, and I showed up.